Hi, ladies. Oh, it feels so good to be back. Today we have a new wig here from Luvme Hair. Now, this wig, I fear you're going to be overly excited about because I am overly excited about it. This is going to be the everyday wig of everyday wigs. You're going to be wearing her over and over and over again. You're going to be wearing her so much, people are going to start thinking it's your real hair. This wig, I fear, is going to be the wig of all wigs. Let's go ahead and get into the goodies. We do have the wig, of course. Not too much. We're going to get into that. This wig comes with a detachable elastic band. There is a mesh storage bag to store your wigs in. There is an air freshener. I love these. They usually smell so good. Really great for your car or wherever else. They're very strong. They also included a box label card in case you decide to store your wig inside of a box. They also include this lace tape. This is really good for sealing the part on your lace if you want it to look more realistic without having to glue your wig down or have any lace tint spray or makeup or anything like that. And we also have here some HD wig caps. Now, that was all of the goodies for the wig. Now, let me go ahead and tell you why you're going to be so excited to try this wig. This wig was designed for the everyday woman, okay? Wig is designed for the women with 9 to 5s, the women with children, the women who got stuff to do but still want to look put together, the women who don't have the time or the experience or even the funds to go and get their hair done all the time or to get their wig customized or to get their hair curled a certain way. This wig answers all of your wig problems. Trust me. This wig is a part of the Love Me Hair. I believe it's the All Day Comfort collection. It does come with a 7x6 lace closure. Look at that closure. Look at all of that parting space. In typical Love Me fashion, the lace comes pre everything. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-parted down the middle. This wig also comes pre-styled in these gorgeous soft curls, and we're gonna get into that in a minute, okay? And this wig is meant to be worn 100% glueless, so it does feature a glueless ready-to-wear cap, a stretch fit cap to give you extra room, extra comfort inside of your wigs. There is a removable comb here, so if you need the comb, use it. If you don't, take it on out. And like I mentioned, it came with the removable adjustable elastic band for extra security in the back, which you don't really need, but it's there just in case you want it. And the reason you don't need it is because this wig comes with the smart clip design. So there are 3 different clips here in the back so that you can adjust it to a small, medium, or large head size. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust mine because I have a smaller head. This wig also features these C-shaped ear cutout tabs over here on the side to give you extra comfort over around the ears if you wear glasses and sunglasses and things like that. Now, Love Me Hair promises that this hair on this specific wig will hold a curl for up to 24 hours. Why? Because this wig has been sourced with a higher quality of hair. Not exactly raw hair, but as close as they could get to it without compromising on price. So the wig comes pre-curled in these juicy curls, okay? And I'm going to try her on in just a moment. Let's take a moment for the body. Look at her. And the shine. She is gorgeous. Now, this wig was designed specifically to be an everyday wear, so it only comes in this shorter length. It might come in one other length. I don't exactly remember. I'll correct myself up here on the screen. And the exact length on this wig, I believe, is 14-inch. If that's not it, I'll correct myself on the screen. So this wig is like the perfect length for every day. It's not too short that it's a bob, but it's not too long that like you have to worry about tangling it and it shedding and getting everywhere. It's the perfect natural length if you were to like, wear your real hair. So I'm gonna shut up. Let me go ahead and prep my hair for this wig and then we'll try it on. So my hair is prepped for the wig. And the adjustable strap has already been tightened to my liking. I am going to add the elastic band and then go ahead and try her on. So this is the wig pretty much straight out of the box. I love the curls, I love the length. So this is straight out of the box. I'm trying not to manipulate the curls that much so you can see what it looks like straight out of the box. This wig does come sort of like with the hairline already pre-styled to this like out of your face kind of effects, if you know what I mean. They're like very popular, like root lifted, kind of curls. I am going to take my wide tooth comb now and just sort of gently, anxiously comb out these curls a little bit. This is such a cute hairstyle. Forget that it's a wig. This is the perfect everyday hairstyle. It's good for weddings. It's good for going to work. It's good for going out. It's good for birthdays. It's good for parties. This is the everyday hairstyle. And not only does this hairstyle work for multiple occasions, it's also going to look great on so many different types of women. This wig does come parted down the middle, but you can always change it to a side part. If you're a side part girl, that'd be so cute. I'm a side part girl. I'll probably end up changing it later on, but you can always do that. You have that option because there is so much parting space. And like I mentioned, this wig is meant to be worn 100% glueless, which I am doing. There is absolutely no glue, no spray, no gel, or anything up under this lace. You can just throw this bad boy on and go. And it holds pretty comfortably. So you can really go out and party because you can shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. And she's not falling off. She's not going anywhere. Another amazing thing about this wig is that you do not have to tint the lace or apply any makeup to it. It does come very seamless, which as a dark skinned woman is not something I say like ever. I almost always have to add some type of makeup or lace tint spray to my wigs, but with this one I did not. I do think that the hairline could use a bit of hairspray just to get these flyaways out of the way. So I'm gonna go do that real quick because it's kind of bothering me. So I put a little bit of hairspray right up here and brush those flyaways out the way. It's still glueless. I just brush those flyaways out of the way. Let me show you what she looks like from the back. So that's what the hair looks like from all angles. I want to mention that this wig is very comfortable. It feels like I have nothing on, and that's the same experience that I've had with all of the wigs from this all day wear collection. They've all been very comfortable, very easy to put on, and comfortable to wear. Now, the reason why I said you're going to want to wear this wig every day over and over again is because look how natural it looks. Look how natural and effortless and elegant this wig looks. It's definitely giving Olivia Pope. It's giving First Lady. It's giving about my business and about my money. It's giving I take care of myself effortlessly. If you want to look good every day without having to put in a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money, this is the wig. This is the wig for you. This is 100% the everyday wig. It's the perfect length. It has the perfect hairline. It has the perfect style. It's the perfect color. And it's comfortable and it's budget friendly. And they even took it a step further and made sure that you have the highest quality hair possible without sacrificing the price. It does not get better than that. Now, Love Me Hair has on their website the listing for this wig that this wig can hold a curl for up to 24 hours. I'm going to take it a step further and I'm going to do a wear test. And I'm going to wear this wig for 7 days and I'm going to test if this wig actually holds its curl. I'm not going to recurl this wig. I'm going to wear it as is, straight out of the box. And I'm going to check in with you guys every day for 7 days and show you how these curls hold up. I'm excited. I have a feeling it's gonna pass the test. Now, if you want to check this wig out for yourself or go ahead and purchase it, I would recommend you just go ahead and, snatch her up because she's going to be snatched up. A lot of the wigs in this all day comfort line from Luvme Hair get snatched up real quick because they're really good, really high quality and comfortable and affordable wigs. And this right here is not going to be any different. So if I were you, I would go ahead and add it to the cart. You can use our special coupon code up here to save 28% off of your orders. And if you happen to be, browsing on the Luvme Hair website and something else catches your eye, you can go ahead and add that to the cart as well because this coupon code right here works for all of the items over on the Luvme Hair website. So you can purchase today, purchase tomorrow, purchase next week, and the code will still be good. And if you like videos like this, because clearly you do, otherwise you wouldn't be here, I do have a whole playlist over on my YouTube channel of all of my wig favorites. So I highly recommend you go ahead and check that out if you're looking for some other amazing wigs. And while you're there, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. Okay? Join the family. I like wigs. You like wigs. We like wigs. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And go ahead and like this video and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. I feel like that was everything I needed to say and mention about this wig. I feel like this wig pretty much speaks for itself, and I love a wig that speaks for itself. Anyway, if you decide to try this wig, let me know down in the comments what you think. Share your experience in the comments because it's also helpful for other girls that are looking and shopping for wigs. Anyway, girl, I'm done yapping. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.